Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is of class 4 for the subject of General Science, topic Features of Light, which is covered in chapter 9, Light, of your textbook titled New Trends in Science, starting on page number 106. Students, through the previous topic, we have learned that light is a form of energy. We are able to see each and every object around us only because of light. The main or the ultimate source of light is the sun. Now, let us discuss the formation of day and night. Students, daytime is when you can see the sun from where you are and its light and heat can reach you. Nighttime is when the sun is on the other side of the earth from you and its light and heat cannot reach you. Let us understand the formation of day and night through an activity. We will be requiring two main things here, a torch and a globe. I hope you all know that globe is the model of the earth. Take a torch and a globe. Hold the globe in your hand and ask your friend or some other person at home to shine the torch on the globe. You will see that half of the globe is lighted while the other half is not. Now, slowly rotate the globe. You will observe that the earlier lighted part will move towards the darker side and the darker side earlier will move towards the lighter side. It will move towards the light. This shows that as the earth rotates, that is, it spins on its axis. This is the rotation of the earth. This is the cause of formation of day and night. So this shows that as the earth rotates, all places have day and night, but at different times. Hence, the part of the earth that receives sunlight has day, and the part of the earth that do not get sunlight has night. Students, let us now study the features of light. Number 1, light produces sensation of vision. Students, as we have studied, it is light only in whose presence we can see everything around us. Number 2, light always travels in a straight line. The third feature is light travels in all directions from its source. Number 4, light is transmitted through different types of objects in different manners. Number 5, light can be reflected as well as refracted. Number 6, reflected light helps us to see. Number 7, light travels at a very high speed, which is approximately 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meters per second. And number 8, light can split into 7 colors. The 7 colors are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red, commonly named as Vibgyor. Now, students, here I am discussing an activity to show that light travels in a straight line. The materials required for this activity are a straight and hollow plastic tube and a lighted candle. So the procedure is, number 1, place the lighted candle on a table. Now, place the straight hollow plastic tube in a line with the flame of the candle. Keep one eye closed and try to see the candle through this hollow tube. Now, bend the tube and try to see the flame of the candle again. What will you observe? When the tube is straight, the flame of the candle can be seen through the tube. But when the tube is bent, the flame cannot be seen. See, through the straight tube, the flame of the candle can be watched. But when the tube is bent, we cannot watch the candle flame. So, what is the conclusion? This shows that light travels in a straight line. Light rays are not capable of bending. Otherwise, it would have bent and reached our eyes. Now, students, we will discuss how light passes through different materials. Different types of materials allow light to pass through them in different ways. Based on these ways, all the objects can be divided into transparent, translucent and opaque materials. Let us discuss first transparent materials. Children, just stand near a window of your room. You may pause the lesson here for 3 minutes. Try to see things through the window pane. Are you able to see the things outside? Yes, this is because light can pass through the window pane. Such materials that allow the light to pass through them completely are called transparent materials. Other examples of transparent objects are colorless plastic sheet, cellophane paper, a clean glass plate, a clear plastic scale and pure water. Now, let us discuss translucent materials. These are the materials that allow the light to pass through them partially. So, we can see a little bit through these translucent materials. As the examples are tracing paper, butter paper, colored water and white plastic sheet. Now, opaque materials. Materials that do not allow light to pass through them at all are called opaque materials. And the examples are a pencil box, a wooden screen, brick, stone, cardboard are all opaque materials. Most objects in our surroundings, like buildings and trees, are opaque objects. When light falls on the surface of an opaque object, it bounces back. We'll study more about this phenomenon in our next lesson. So here I am concluding this lesson. Now it's time for your home assignment. So get ready for your home assignment questions, which are as follows. Question number 1. What causes the formation of day and night? You need to write the phenomenon, the name of the phenomenon. Question number 2. Write any 5 features of light. And question number 3. Define transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Also write 3 examples for each. Thank you.